So this is a quick tutorial on how to do sink laundry on a cruise ship. You could use this method for van life, in a hotel room, an Airbnb, basically anywhere where you don't have access to a washing machine and need to do a small amount of laundry. Now, if you look online, you can buy, which is, you could basically call like a laundry in a bag or something like that, and they're fairly expensive. It's about $80. The reality is, it's nothing more than a beach dry bag. So what I'm going to be using is a 20-liter beach dry bag, and it's fairly simple to use. You put your dirty laundry in it, and then we'll put a few drops of camping soap. You can use any soap. I don't recommend using stuff like Tide or real laundry soap because they suds a lot and they're very hard to rinse out. I use Coogan's camping soap, mostly because it rinses out very easily. So for the next step, a couple of drops of camping soap in the bag. You can do this in a kitchen, hotel bathroom, basically anywhere where you have access to like either a sink or a shower. I personally prefer using a shower head as it is a lot easier to fill your bag with it. For the next step, we will take our dry bag, a shower head, stick it in there, and turn on the water. So you will put enough water to cover the clothes and maybe an inch or two above it. The reason you don't fill the bag is water is very heavy. This is a 20-liter bag. 20 liters of water, you would probably not be able to lift it. Close your bag, seal it watertight. Grab your bag, shake, shake, shake. For about a minute or two. And then let it rest for 15 minutes. And it is now 15 minutes later. At this point, grab her bag, give it one last shake, open it, drain the water carefully. At this point, you grab the rear of your bag, give it a bit of a roll, get rid of as much water as you can. Then open her up again and fill with clear water. Now we gotta rinse the soap out. Again, you're not filling the bag, that would be way too heavy, so you're gonna cover the clothes with water and add an inch or two above. Close your bag. Give it a shake. Empty and repeat this operation until the water comes out without any soap in it. Usually 1 or 2 rinses are more than enough if you're not using actual real laundry soap. Squeeze the water out. Once you're satisfied with your rinse and there's no more soapy water coming out, or minimal soapy water, you're done. Your laundry's all done. At this point, you pull your clothes out, wring them out, hang them to dry. Extra tip, if you're on a cruise ship, to make wringing out the clothes a lot easier, most cruise ship showers have handles. So you put your clothes up around the handle and twist all the water out. You obviously would not do this with delicate clothing.